you can also make an easy search interface for asking Solr for search results. And I don't know why.
In this case, yeah, there's a big internet. All the user rights are managed in EasyPublish.
Okay.
And we are an EasyPublish company, so we want to make EasyPublish. And the main internet is EasyPublish. But there are many other sources, and so EasyPublish is the master. And but the search engine is not inside EasyPublish. We want to put it in EasyPublish.
But also, but then you import also the HTML files into EasyPublish.
Oh, not EasyPublish, only for searching. There are external solutions for the HTML, for the Lotus Notes database. You can't manage Lotus Notes database in EasyPublish.
Yeah, sure. Then
but they want to search, and it doesn't care where it is for them. Just they want to click, find, click, and then they get the thing, because thing is held on.
Yeah, sure.
That's okay. So I think
it's quite a typical use case for internet. So you just want to introduce EasyPublish and say this is our main internet access point for all the rest, which are typically legacy stores like Lotus Notes, like a file system with all PDFs and so on. But they want this unified experience in any case. So what happens then is that they take EasyPublish with EasyFind to integrate those things, because it's the only thing that makes you have an experience that is one central point to access everything, or at least to find everything.
And then it's a
very typical use case.
It's looking fantastic. Then you always the facets, elements and stuff, and all in the.
Yeah, but these are mainly Solr features, so you can have it anyway with Solr.
Yeah, but
yes, okay, but then you need to write an extension for EasyPublish that deals with Solr.
Yeah, okay. And then you say, okay, then I can pay EasyFind.
Besides EasyFind, that doesn't make sense. Sorry.
Yeah, but then you have, but you have made change to EasyFind then anyway, because you're with this external data and so on.
Yeah, but that's the question: how to integrate external data into the EasyFind on the best way, so to find it.
For fetching external data.
So in the latest release, it's also done in EasyPublish 5, the legacy part, and there are parameters to do just that. With every documentation is already online, but they map basically to the Solr equivalents. So you interrogate different scores, you say these fields to be searched, if there are different names or just a common field that you may want. And you can also tell or ask which fields to get back.
Raw query photos for some kind of restricted, because you need some common source schema for all of these parts.
That's the most difficult point, actually, to find a good schema that fits all your cases. If you can't rely on that and you want to search across it in any way, the best way to deal with it is to use copy fields and so on. You copy it also and you duplicate then, of course, fields. You copy fields into the same name for EasyPublish, for your other data sources, and use only that name to filter and search for it.
And the point about EasyFind is the best part beside of EasyPublish itself. EasyFind is extremely powerful, and that's an extension. It's fantastic to use and it's fantastic to earn money with it, and let's make this the extension.
But there you mean the front end functionality of EasyFind, is that what
and the indexing part.
Okay, indexing is done by.
Or the integration, because there's a nice but the integration is seamless.
Access rights.
Yeah. User rights, access rights, and so on. This makes EasyPublish powerful.
Is EasyFind continuing then?
Internally, it's under the hood because it's in the FBI search interface hidden. And as I seen what we have to think about for such solutions, that we have also a kind of front end where you may plug in then other sources.
Here you have the basics from Publish 5. So you have the PHP version, mapping the beginning of the PHP version.
And
so for crawling, there are a few options actually. So I just mentioned the data info comes with Solr XML database.
This is not a lot
for if you don't have access to it, you need to crawl. Then there is Nudge. It's a bit hard to configure and set it up. Another option is to use another project is called Apache Manifolds.
Including the published kernel of PHP.
At least that's what I think it's named like. But this is actually with a graphical user interface that you can configure, and you can basically have many sources, and one of the sources is just crawl, output the results into I never installed it for a customer or so, just played with it, and it was quite easy to work with. That's what I would recommend.
Yeah, in the register bundles. So here, this is where you declare all the bundles you want to use.
That much into other
where you used to do this in
this is to always with
this is where you create
track or
and
PHP
this is
solution.
meant
And then crawl
here,
so
of course,
this
but here, for
it's
example,
not so
see that if get environment
possible,
equals dev,
but
if you're in the dev environment, then you can
depends on the service structure of
and basically if
provider
you
or
need
the
some,
company.
I don't know, some staging, some specific bundles for your staging environment or for your production environment.
The other way is that you have micro objects
extends the base
on the data structure, but only with a very small object, and have an own data type on a content type, and there's all the data and given to user life. That you have real easy objects, but very small one with a big custom part. But when it's an import, it makes other problems.
Well, that's also an option to integrate. You can import things into Easy Publish. Sometimes it is difficult if the data that you want to import are quite complex. And then you might consider the option actually to use Easy Publish Solr again to attack that extra level of complexity which you otherwise would need to do with complex custom data types. You can then use the index time plugin mechanism for data types that just dig deeper into the data that you have imported already, be it a block of XML or a serialized format, and then just split it up and put it into different fields inside. So
and then open different packages.
The fields, what is the best practice to name these custom fields? So if I use the index plugin,
there is no validation.
let's say a class, and want to extract some information, put it together, or get some information from other, and then have, let's say, 10 new fields. So
okay.
I will definitely use some of the catch-all fields, but there are so many now. So like double underscore, 3 underscore.
Yes, I know. There's some nuisance introduced, but yeah, if you want to either you do the sub-attribute stuff that you defined and then you're bound to that, or you define and inject your own fields, and you're basically free to do so. That's what I do. What I do mostly is actually create my own prefix in any case, and for the rest follow much of the logic. Like if it is coupled to a certain attribute, take the identifier of that attribute in it. Possibly if it's if it's two levels, also the object name in it, or some other class name for it.
But you don't add new fields in the index. You use one of these catch-all fields, but then prefix and then this attribute or whatever class name. Okay, yeah, this is what we do.
That's the best way to do it. Because you need to, in most cases, you need also to filter on those things, very fine-grained.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then it makes sense to make.
Often reference to by its name.
Yeah, it existed. We did it this way and it worked, but I wasn't sure if it was the right way to do it.
So
I think it is the best
default
way to do it.